Okay, I fixed the holes here. These all go sliding back and forth. Oop. This one here was the tight one over here. Goes back and forth. This one here was no problem, nice and loose. So is this one. Alright, so that should be good for that. So now we're going to work on the fixing this broken part over here. So I'm going to get the boring bar back in here. We zeroed everything out. So hopefully we're pretty close. I kind of roughed in where I wanted to be there slightly. So we'll go ahead and turn this on and see what happens here. Turn this way down. Crank the handle down here at 490. Get this thing on. I'm going to go down about an inch or so. I'll go down to that point there, I guess. See if we hit anything. At some point it should hit. Maybe. Feeding pretty slow because of low RPM. About another 1/8 inch to go before we get the base of the cylinder there. There it goes. I know my cutter is not going to like this at all. But I don't care. Keep going deeper because it's still cutting. There we're going out right there. Good stopping point. At some point it will stop. There we go. Okay, that took a big chunk out, but there's still a lot left in there. This one's getting real thin. It's going to get thinner. Yeah. I think we got about another 20 thou to go. That's going to be tissue paper time I'm done. Okay, let's give it a 10 thou pass. Yeah, we probably get more than that. 50 thou. I mean 20 thou. That's 10 thou aside. Gotta make sure it doesn't touch the cylinder here. That'd be a problem in here. We don't want that to happen. Okay, let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't hit anything. Appears to be good. We're going to speed this up a little bit. Right there. Engage it. So you're going to wait for 5/8 inch of feeding now instead of 1 1/4 inch, whatever we had. Tried to hone this out, it'll break the hone probably. It would definitely rip it out of your arm. Right there. Okay. Feels like we do that again. Get real thin there. We knew that was going to happen though. Like I said, if I tried to bend this, it would probably just break off, so it's better to do it this way than any other way of doing it. Okay, I think this is about where it was going to hit the cylinder. I think it's about right here. Let's see if this hits. Hopefully it does not. Okay, we hit somewhere. Looks like it hit right here. I'm not sure. Somewhere it's hitting. Anyway, we're going to stop that. That was about 65, so we're going to back that out a little bit. Let's go about 60 ought to be enough. It'll be close, but not too close. The closer I can get without hitting the board, the better. What are you hitting on? Yeah, we're still hitting. Okay, well, that was 60. There's 60 or 60 over there. There's 55 right there. Just keep backing it down until it doesn't hit. That's all you can do. Okay, looks like we cleared. Feed it down a little bit. Right there it starts hitting. Hitting more in one spot maybe, I'm not sure. Definitely hitting that spot. There we go. Still feels pretty heavy there, but if we go any more, we're hitting on something, so I don't know what we were hitting on, but we're hitting. Alright, so I'll have to hone this out the rest of the way. Feels pretty deep, but we know it's less than 5 thou, even though it feels like it's 10 or more. Yeah. It's like boring cylinders, you never know how much it takes to clean because it looks terrible until you do a light cut and it cleans itself right up. Looks good. Okay, we'll get this out of the way. Alright, so now I can take this all out and see how it fits onto the case over here. Think it's going to fit? Find out. We'll get this out of the way first. If it doesn't fit, we get to redo everything. Hour setup. You didn't see the hour setup it took last night, the other night. That was last night. Actually, it was this morning. Had an early start on the day. Okay, now we can see if it fits over here, where it belongs. Okay, it's the front one. So it's not fitting. It's not fitting, boss. So, looks like we're cut over far enough. It's hitting on the center parts there. What's up with that? Why is it doing that? We do not know. Not sure what the holdup is on that one. We know the spigot's big enough. Okay, this one's cut bigger on this side. There we go. That one fits. So we're hitting on the spigot. Yeah, there's rub marks over here. So this was a tighter fitting spigot, remember? So you see the rub marks where it's hitting on the spigot. So I need to loosen up the case a little bit to put that one in there, I guess. But you can see how it goes in. Looks like we're going to have a problem with cylinder interference here. Also, that's why it's cut out like that, see? You didn't think I knew that, did you? And we have just a little bit of jiggle. Almost nothing. But it fits right on down. Boom, slides down. So you only have that much clearance, see? That's all I wanted. Don't need a lot. Looks like a big bore, huh? Okay, well, we got one on. Like I said, I loosened the case up, the other one should slip right down. I hope. You can see the high spots where it was trying to go. Alright, we know the studs are good, it's just the bore size a little off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this one all set up. That's going to take a while because I have to redo all my jigging here. It shouldn't be too awful bad, but it will take a while. So anyway, these things will take time. Lots and lots of time to center this all up. Alright, we'll be back a little while after I get the other one done. That's it for now. Okay, got the cylinder to go kind of on there. I actually put it back and recut it to make sure it was good to go. Once I had that centerline dimension all set up, it went pretty quick on recentering them up and redoing them. It's not too bad. It's almost 1 o'clock now. It was almost 12 before, so about an hour and 15 minutes to do all that. So anyway, it's all mocked up on it. The cylinder still look a little wide, even though we increased the case by 1/4 inch. So these things are made for a lot wider case, I guess, than these things are made on here. But yeah, I'm going to blow this apart right now, and I can't do it. I was going to hone some cylinders. I forgot about that. I got to hone these cylinders next and smooth them up. Then I'm going to take this all apart and throw the crank back in it and mock it back up. I forgot all about honing the cylinders, so we're going to do that. So we'll be back to the motor in a few minutes.